Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video, and I'm doing a big canvas today, a 24 by 36 inch. So this is the Artist Loft by Michaels, gallery wrapped, level 3. I always buy them when Michaels is having their 50% off sale. I have it over here. I need to tape the back of it yet and raise my camera up so I can set up, so I can get the whole thing in my lens. But I am going to be doing the pearl pour today. So all my paints are mixed very thin, and I'm going to go with you real quickly through all the colors that I'm going to be using. This is going to be ocean inspired. So I actually redid a bedroom in my house, and I kind of wanted to go over the bed in my bedroom. So I'm hoping that it comes out nicely. I am going to, and the colors in the room are grays and blues. So for my base paints, I have this. And these are satin enamels with a satin enamel in it. This one is a satin enamel deco art with, bare satin enamel white with a little bit of light blue and a little touch of gray in it to make up this color. Okay, and they're all mixed. My recipe will be in the description box with the recipe I use, but they're all mixed thin with water. This one is a gray, a dove gray. And this is satin enamel again, with a gray. I believe I used Liquitex Basics, just gray. And then I have this. I think I'd actually had a little bit more water to this. This has been a little bit thicker. So this one, I always look on the discount shelves on the in Home Depot or Lowe's, where you can find the people made a mistake and they had mixed tint was wrong, and so I always find these. And this was almost like a sand color, so I added just a little bit of a white satin enamel to it and water and the Liquitex Basic Pouring Medium floetrol GAC 800, just like I did to the rest of them. Okay, so they're my 3 base paints. Colors I'm going to be using Payne's Gray, and that's golden fluid. I have a Deco Art pewter. I have Prussian Blue by Golden Fluid. I have Teal by Golden Fluid. I think it's Blue Lagoon. I have some, this was Artist Loft Bright Blue, I believe it's called. It's not ultramarine, it's just regular blue. I have to find out the name of that one. And then I have some 24 karat gold mixed with Deco Art 24 karat gold mixed with Modern Masters Gold Rush. I'm going to be using that, just a little bit of that. Then I have some Rose Quartz by Modern Masters. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in. These are some of these paints I've had for a while. Then I'm also going to be putting in a little bit of this Interference Blue by Golden. I'll probably be swiping that in. I may swipe in a little of my Amsterdam mixture as well. That's 4 parts floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white paint. I use it in most of my swipes, so I'll link a video here so you can go see that. If you're looking to see how I mix my paints, I do have a video where I do mix some paints. You can go back and watch that. It's one of my earlier videos, but they're mainly for my regular pours. The pearl pour is totally different because it's a different recipe. All right, so let's get started here. I'm going to get my table set up. We're going to get busy painting. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And yeah, here we go.
the ground. It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, you.